Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to cook cabbage abalone porridge. Hope you like it. This porridge is very delicious. The cabbage and abalone are sweet and have a rich and delicious taste. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: rice, cabbage, abalone, carrot, ginger, anchovies. Rice wash and set aside. Wash and pat dry anchovies. Pour it into the baking pan, and the fried anchovies will make the porridge taste richer. Cut ginger into strips and roast it to eat with the cooked porridge. Slice some of it and cook the porridge. Air fried at 160 degrees for 10 minutes. Roasted anchovies and ginger slices set aside. Peel and diced carrot. Wash and cut cabbage into small pieces. Remove abalone from can and set aside. Add all ingredients into rice pot, except abalone and fired ginger. Pour enough water. Add also abalone sauce. Optional to add chicken cubes. Optional to add fish cakes. Add fish cakes and start to cook porridge. Porridge is cooked. Add the small abalone and heat it up. It doesn't need to be cooked for too long, otherwise it will affect the texture. Add salt and pepper powder to taste. Serve while still hot. Garnish with fried ginger. It's warm and satisfying with a bowl of hot porridge. You can also consider doing this when you have no appetite. It is a simple way to stimulate your appetite. You may also add mushroom slices for this recipe. When cooking porridge, the ratio of rice to water should be flexibly adjusted according to the water absorption of the rice. Generally speaking, if you want thicker porridge, the ratio is 1 to 6. If you want moderate concentration, the ratio is 1 to 8. If you want thinner porridge, the ratio is 1:12. This ratio varies from person to person. Porridge is easy to digest, suitable for breakfast. Since porridge is cooked until soft and mushy and has a fine texture, it's easier for the body to digest than regular hard rice. Porridge is nutritionally complete. Porridge is packed with nutrients that the body needs, such as carbohydrates from rice, protein from meat, fat from eggs or oil, vitamins and minerals from vegetables, various seasonings, and herbs like ginger, which helps relieve flatulence, bloating, and aids digestion. By the way, if you are looking for delicious porridge recipes, welcome to check out my porridge recipe playlist, yeah. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.